Brothers and sisters in Christ, it is our Berhin Sakota here in Uzami City, Mindanao, Philippines. Yan, it is my old image. Bata pa ako dito, guys. Ito. Yan si Mama Mary, ang Berhin Sakota sa Usamis. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and join our daily Holy Rosary and subscribe to my YouTube channel for my religious activity in my Catholic faith. So thank you and God bless us all. Pearl, don't laugh ba? Don't laugh, nagkuhan ko,